Hi everyone, welcome back to Learn English with Erica. Today we're going to talk about 5 common English mistakes and how to fix them really quickly. Okay, I'm going to say a sentence that I hear a lot of English language learners say, then we're going to fix it and I'm going to tell you why the first one is not correct, okay? Number 1, he go to school. He go to school. It should be he goes to school. He goes to school. So in the present tense, if the subject, if the person who is in the sentence is one person, most of the time the verb is going to be plural. It's going to have an S. So instead of he go to school, he goes to school. Okay, the second one, I am agree. I am agree. This should be just, I agree, because when you say I am agree, you're having am and agree, 2 verbs together, and they're both conjugated, they're both changed, okay? So you don't need 2 verbs, you just need I agree. That's it. Okay, number 3, she have a car. She have a car. So have, that verb is irregular. It should actually be she has a car. I have, you have, we have, they have, but he and she, okay, he and she has. Okay, so he has a car, she has a car. Number 4, I am study now. I am study now. This one has 2 verbs, am and study, right? So you don't want 2 verbs that are changed together. So you could say, I study, or if you want to use am and say you're doing it right now, the next verb, study, has to have an ing. I am studying now. I am studying now. Okay, the last one, can you explain me? Can you explain me? So the me in this sentence is really what you're asking for explanation about. Can you explain me? Can you explain who I am? That's not what you want to say. You want to say, can you explain to me? Can you explain to me? So in grammatical terms, the first one had a direct object. To me is an indirect object. That's not really important. You just want to put the to in front of it because the explanation you want to be given to you. So instead of, can you explain me? Can you explain to me? There you have it, 5 common English mistakes and how to fix them really quickly. Like, follow, subscribe for more English tips.